Welcome to Auto Parts China Factory. We are a leading exporter of high-quality automotive parts, connecting the unparalleled manufacturing capabilities of China with a global customer base. Our mission is to provide reliable, performance-driven auto components at highly competitive prices, ensuring customer satisfaction worldwide. With extensive experience in the automotive parts industry, we specialize in a comprehensive range of components essential for vehicle performance and comfort. Our product portfolio includes, but not limited to, heat exchange products, suspension parts, filter parts. Experience universal performance with our premium auto parts, engineered for seamless integration across all major car brands. Whether you drive a Toyota, Ford, BMW, or BYD, from Japanese, American, European to Chinese cars, our components deliver exceptional reliability and a perfect fit. From high-performance upgrades to essential maintenance items, we've got everything you need to keep your vehicle running at its best, regardless of its origin. At Auto Parts China Factory, we are dedicated to building long-lasting relationships with our global clients. We understand the diverse needs of the international market and are committed to providing reliable supply, a consistent and dependable source for all your auto parts requirements. Exceptional value, the best combination of quality and price in the market. Dedicated support, a responsive and knowledgeable team ready to assist you with your inquiries and orders. We look forward to becoming your trusted partner for all your automotive parts needs.